Good morning. Hi, how are you? Oh, welcome to Mallorca. Jumped out of bed very quickly and came down here. This is the hotel. Hotel Gran right up into the mountains. I'll give you all the details of it. But I am here for a press review, check the hotel out, check the island out. I'm gonna be going for a run. My friend Nicholas is here with me. We got to view the... Wow, what is that animal? Good morning. Hi. Hey, how are you? My friend Nicholas is here with me. That might be him actually. Got my running stuff on. Quick coffee. We'll be going out for a run. This place though, this is first look at the hotel. I really should have filmed this when I came in. Now just like, you can see, bottle of wine, some nuts. Look at this, hi. I enjoy a double sink. Look at that. Beautiful shower, little bath. I really have made a mess of this place already. There you go. This is the hotel. Pretty amazing. It's pretty special here. We are gonna run. See where it takes us. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. This village is so beautiful. Hi, you back there. I mean, you're not really seeing the beauty here, but sun coming up over here. At the time, this was a very good idea, but these inclines are not the one. Hotel is just up here. Come on, no. My look for the day, little full-length mirror. Got a Uniqlo long-sleeved waffle t-shirt, then mustard high-waisted trousers holding in the old love handles. These are from Basic Rights, and then the Common Projects high tops, which are the only shoes I brought, super comfy. Then into here, I have got Bumble & Bumble Primer Tonic Lotion, Sheer Revival Northern Lights Paste, and then a bit of Got To Be hairspray because it's not gonna move. And that is me for today. I mean, can we have a moment for this? This used to be a mansion house from, is it 1672? I'm sure that's what it said, 1672. I want to own that fact. 1672, and there's artwork everywhere. Who have we seen? Artwork? Hockney? There's been a Hockney. Warhol. All the big names. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah. Right, we are doing a road trip. We're going to, where are we going?
VALLDEMOSSA.
And then on to Mossa, sorry, and then on to, let's see. Nicholas is in charge of navigation, but constantly asks me these things. Then we're on to Dea. Nice glasses. Where are they from?
Australia Key.
Yeah, they're nice. Link down below. And then we're on to Solaire. So we're kind of going from where we are. We're going up the west, and then up, and then we're potentially coming back down to Palma. Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Okay.
Cue music.
Cue music. Okay.
It's a mini adventure.
This place is beautiful. We just got a tour around here, and we've got private cottages, and you can hire everything out. And if you're going to have a wedding, then you're looking at a fair. Now turn left. Thank you. A fair whack of cash in order to get this whole place. But you can see why.
I mean, I'm considering it. I just have to.
Just got to find someone. If you're interested in dating Nicholas, then I will link his social down below. Go check him out. I mean, I'm still on the market, on the shelf. This is the village of, go for it, where is it?
I want to say
Pikachu. This is where we had our run this morning. Am I still in first gate? Yes I am. Hello.
So hello. Right is the mountains.
Right is the mountains. Left is through the village. I don't really enjoy this to be honest.
It's sick.
It's so steep. I'm even feeling like I need to take my sunglasses off. How's it looking on the map? Do we have much more of this? Oh my god,
Yes.
Are you actually kidding me? These cyclists are something else. Okay guys, pull over, pull over.
Pull in my hand.
Pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in. Thank you. Deathwish.com. What was that? Man for himself's mystery road tours. Coming to YouTube original soon. Look at this. Wow, it's bright. This is Deja. Or as I like to call it before, Deja. No, it is Deja. Very, very pretty. How tired do I look? Back at the hotel. Not gonna lie, you missed out on some of that action from before. We kind of got a bit lost, and then the mini sat-nav took us literally down what I would call a one-way road for things that aren't cars. So that was enjoyable, but I'm very much up for a very large drink, not being behind the wheel, and getting back into here. How was it today for you?
I'm just gonna go in here for a bit. Gonna have a lie down.
Did nothing. Didn't even do any of the navigation, sure. Get a friend that does that. Let's get your friends out. Back in my natural habitat. A robe. And this hotel room. I'm just absolutely done in after today, but I think tonight we're gonna chill out and just have a drink. And oh god, don't I look studious? I've actually got some editing to do, so I've got a video which will have gone up on Thursday. It was Kevin Murphy, oil-free, little vodka. I'm not really a vodka drinker. They've got gin here, which I'm going to try. Actually, I will be trying that tonight. But one of these, a little bit of editing to do, a few emails, and then down for maybe some late dinner or at least a dessert. We'll see how we get on. I really don't want to have to go back to London at the moment. I've really enjoyed my stay here. Thank you very much for having us. It's such a beautiful hotel. So quiet. There have been no kids. If you have kids, then you are welcome here. I did check. But it's just so good. The room was amazing. Would you agree? Yeah?
I don't want to leave, actually.
Don't want to leave. Food has been amazing. You've seen bits of that. There will be more, by the way, on manforhimself.com. Full blog article. Bits and bobs and pictures. I need to go through everything. I've had such a great stay. Also, their own gin that they make here probably has led to me feeling slightly weary today. But it has been very enjoyable. So guys, I'm going to sign off now so I can just enjoy some downtime, you know? Out of a camera. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this.
Another
Maybe
gin,
some more.
please.
Another gin, please. Hope you've enjoyed this one. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hit subscribe right now. The button will be just up there, just under the sun. Also, more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. The blog article's there. My social, including Instagram, is up there. But I will see you in my next new video. Bye bye.